3 cinematic sound effects for your next video. Cinematic whirl swells, spiraling, whirling sounds that add a sense of motion and continuity. Cinematic synth wave, a wave-like synth sound that adds a retro or electronic feel to transitions, perfect for sci-fi or nostalgic settings. Cinematic reversed Brahms, Brahms that start with a reverse build-up. Ideal for creating a sense of anticipation and intrigue, making transitions more engaging. We've helped over 20,000 video editors on YouTube elevate their sound design skills. Now it's your turn. Get your free sound effects pack today. Click the link to download yours.